Hi, and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will add the BGW to the external firewall. We need to add it to the Smart Console. And to do that, so first we need to publish our Smart Console or our Smart Management Server to the internet. And how to do that? So we need to have a public IP address. So double click there. And net, and then choose static and choose an IP address, a public IP address, and it should not be the IP address, the external IP address of the cluster. So I chose this IP address. Okay, so now we can click here and gateway, classic mode. And here we give it a name, so BGW. The IP address is 230.114.100, as we configured it on a previous video. Comment BGW, and it's R8120 Gaia. So we click on communication here. Here we use the SIC password that we configured on the BGW and click initialize. As we can see here, trust established. Okay, so remember that you need to have your router running, because this here, we are here, and this is the SMS server. So we are sending the CPD packets from this server this way. So the server is asking the gateway, where is this 203.0.114.100? The gateway says I don't know, and it said send it to the router. The router knows where is this, and send it to the gateway here. And the gateway needs to be able to talk back to the SMS server, and that is why we need to publish the SMS server out to the internet. So this is done. These are our interfaces in the BGW. So close. Don't know if we need to do anything here. Don't think so. So okay here. So the BGW needs its own policy that we will create inside the course. But for now, let's publish. Okay, the last thing to do is creating our policy rule. So if we look here again, we can see that here. So our policy rule before we begin our course should look like this, so that we can follow the course. So if we take this to the side, and here I chose the cleanup rule to be accept, so that the BGW can find the SMS. As you can see here, CPD is coming from the BGW. So this is very important to be able to build the connection between the external gateway and the management server. So this, we will change this when we have created all these rules. So the first rule here, we can create a new section. The new section is called management rules. So above, and we call it management rules. Under it, so new rule below, do not, it's called do not log. So do not log As you can see, I only follow this. So do not log here, not log. So source any destination, we call it, check it, destination any, VPN any, services, I think it's any, oh, services is boot B and MBT. So click here, so boot B, it's P, this one, and MBT. I will explain later why we drop these. So drop and don't track. So track here means if you select none, the gateway will not generate any logs. Installed on the cluster. So installed on, can choose our cluster. This one. So I will do all this, fill in all these rules, and I'll show you how it will look. So see you when I done with this. So now our policy is done creating, so it should look like this. And now if you try, for example, from this machine, the AGUI, if you try to ping, the ping will be okay, will succeed. So ping, for example, 999, because now our network is working correctly. So the traffic is going from, so we can look there again. So if we look here again, so the traffic is going from the AGI to the gateway here. 999, it does not know where it is, it sends to the router sends it to the internet, and back forth. So, but the DNS is not working. So for example, ping cnn.com, this is not working because we did not configure the DNS yet. Our DNS is the ALDAP server. So we need to fire up this machine and put here, look here, so Ethernet, and change adapter options. So we take the IP address of the ALDAP and put it here as our DNS server here. So with that said, this was the last video in this how to build a lab series. The next video we will start talking about the CCSA course with our lab ready to be used when it's needed. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.